Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title of the video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some microwave dishes. Just cause I don't know, I was just looking for new ideas on cooking videos and this will be one of them, I guess. So basically I did 3 meals in the microwave just to show you guys that you can use the microwave. But yeah, okay, without further ado, let's get into today's video. First up, we have breakfast, which is going to be jungle oats. It is now 1 o'clock and I'm hungry again. People that say gore oats is something that will keep you fuller for longer, it's just a problem for me. It really doesn't keep me fuller for longer. I get hungry quicker, like in terms of my in-between hours, because I think usually you should have about 3 or 4 hours in between your meals. But I'm gonna make a quick little croissant sandwich, and I'm going to make some scrambled eggs in the microwave. So yeah, let's go. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a bowl, some cheese, some full cream milk, croissants obviously, some original flavored aromat, 2 eggs, and either some ham, but I didn't have ham, so I used like a chicken Vienna thing that I'll cut up into my scrambled eggs later. So let's go. battery is dying, but I'm going to add some Nando's hot sauce just because I like something hot. And then I'm gonna go sit and eat my food. As you saw, I bit into the sandwich and sadly my camera died. It was really delicious, really soft, exactly how I wanted it to be. Let's move on to a third meal, which I will take as sort of a dinner. Okay, I didn't tell you, but like the croissants were sort of like lunch type of thing. For dinner, I cannot not have noodles in the house. Okay, I am obsessed. How good does this look? OMG, I can't wait for the final result. I probably look like death row, but let's taste this. Smells good. Melty. Like, it didn't look like how I wanted it to look like because I didn't have processed cheese. Processed cheese is a different Han, okay? She is a different Han, and I basically just don't know. I feel like this video is going to go on for so long if I have to speak about noodles again. This is basically the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment down below any more food video ideas I should do for our food challenges. Yeah, that could be really fun. So just let me know down below if you guys are interested in seeing any of that on my channel, and subscribe, okay? Please guys, please subscribe. I'm on 163 and I'm trying to get to 200, so please guys, please tell your friends to subscribe, tell your aunts, your uncles, your dogs, your cats, your pets, your fish, everyone in your family to please subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much, and I'll see you sweeties in the next video. Mwah. Bye sweeties.